Okay, guys, for the next part of your interactive notebook, we're going to do the read it section. There's an article entitled Convection Currents. It looks like this. That is in the back of the classroom under the windows on the back shelf. And beside it is a little piece of paper that's got the colors on it with these multiple choice questions. Okay, those are going to be the next things. You're going to read the article. You're going to read the article and answer the questions. But the catch is, see where this is over here is red. Wherever you find the answer to this question in this article, you have to color it in or circle it in red. So there'd be some markers out on my desk with the rest of the stuff or colored pencils or something. But you got to color in that area where you answered the red question. When you get to the blue question, you have to color in the place over here where you answered the blue question. So you're going to read the article. These are just multiple choice questions. Okay, here's the article. Here's the questions. Okay, they're just multiple choice questions. And those go on page 14. These questions are on page 14, right? And then this article is just on the back of the other page, so they close together so that you can see them at the same time. So again, this is on page 14, down there at the bottom. See that? This goes on page 14, and this goes on the page opposite that. It's on the back of the page where your flip tab notes are. Okay, flip tab notes are on the other side of this. So this is on page 14. This is on the back of the other page so that they close together when you close your book up. You just read the article, answer the questions. Should be pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know.